It's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, and you're focused on my Splitcup. And I got a set of 4 of these off of my Amazon link. And I'm going to use the one with 3 partitions, or 2 partitions and 3 chambers. And I'm going to use a little bit of Mead and White paint with Floetrol and GAC 800 in between my layers. And I'm going to try and convince myself that everything's going to be okay. And so I'm going to use some frosted sorbet in the center. Plum blossom is the color. And next to some Tango pink. I'm just going to start with the middle. I'm going to dribble a little bit of this white in to try and make it go a little further. I'm going to move to this side and use some, God, I hope this is going to be okay, some sour lemon and some orange crush. I don't want any lumps in there. I hope that wasn't just a lump that I saw. I've got some Big Apple and orange crush mixed. Those are both custom colors. I might be sorry I didn't just use orange crush. Actually, you know what? I'm going to grab the orange crush. I don't know what I'm doing. I've only done this a few times, so bear with me while I learn my lessons the hard way. This is part of these frosted sorbets. This is a tiger lily. I don't even have any idea how much paint I need for what I'm about to do, but I'd like to have enough. That's my bottom line. So I'm going to look for some definite contrast, and this is the deep amethyst. And here's another frosted sorbet. This is the blue grotto. Couple squeezes. I've got twice as much paint in this side so far. This is the blue ice, another frosted sorbet. I'm going to put some of that in the middle. Am I? Yeah, not yet. I'm going to put some Bashful blue in the middle. Another frosted sorbet. And I haven't been putting my white in between. Oh well, never mind. So I'm going to use some of the plum blossom on top of the blue ice I just put in there, and slide a little bit of P.E.Blue blue-green iridescent in the middle. I do love that. I've also got, let's go back to the blue grotto. I think as long as I can get the layers to be even, I'll probably be okay. I'm going to go back again and use some more of the orange crush sour lemon combo. And then I'm going to put a little bit of white in each. I'm not sure that it's not a moot point at this point in time, but I am sure it will add to the volume of paint, which is probably a good thing. If I can get this about halfway full, I'll call it good. I've got some Carnival that I absolutely love, which is a primary element, as are the frosted sorbets. I want to put that on the other side. So I'm going to go with the cherry sorbet on the side that I've been putting the oranges and the sour lemon and the so on. And then what am I going to do? I'm going to go back to the blue grotto again. And pretty quick here. I need another purple. I guess I'm just going to grab something like boysenberry and ginger flower mixture. And hope I can get it open. Because it's really good if you turn the cap, actually. I want something rogue. I have a Moonbeams. And I'm going to hit the center with the Tango pink again. And that's another frosted sorbet. Don't forget there's a 20% off coupon code. And I'm an affiliate of Colourarte, so you help me out when you do that. That's the Orange Crush. I don't know what I'm doing anymore. This is Tiger Lily. I'm going to give it one more color on the other side, and I'm going to have to spin this out, so I think it's going to be the Boysenberry again over here. And anything that's not full is going to get some of that Plum Blossom. Blue Ice, Plum Blossom. I'm going for the middle. You would think that that was enough paint to do something. But I've never been somebody who measured, so I'm taking my chances. My cup is about half full, and I'm not sure what the ounce, what it contains. Let's get rid of that white. I didn't use enough white, I know that. I am going to take my 12 by 12 gallery wrap canvas with the spiral on it, and I'm going to try. Am I going the wrong way? I am. Oh well. This is Tricorn Black from Sherwin Williams. Unadulterated. This is a different way to do this. I added my black stripe afterwards last time, and I may need to go back and add some more again. I yet don't even have any idea how this is going to work. But I am going to wipe up the places that I dripped. And I did pre-prime my canvas. So I thought I'd start in the middle, but I think I'm going to start at the outside. Depends on which way the spiral goes. I wish I were left-handed at this point. Let's take the paint chip hanging off my thumb away. Now, I haven't used these before, and they're very soft. Do I go sideways? I think I do. It's weird. How few colors are showing up. I do actually have a little bit of paint left, so I didn't do too badly, I guess. Which means, to me, that I should continue by adding some more. It might clash. Or it might not. So long as I get it out of the cup, at least I feel like I'm not wasting it. And hopefully my head isn't completely obscuring everything again. Maybe if I let that drain down, I can get some more out of it. In the meantime, I'm going to move a few bottles out of my way, so when I turn my turntable, I don't splatter every single thing in its path. Just a few. never did put any gold in there, and I meant to. Okay, well it looks pretty cool the way it is, honestly. Let's try it. Last time I did this, I put the stripes in a different configuration. So I'm really curious as to how this is going to work. And I could definitely put some more black in there, but I'm not sure I need it. Except for in that place where I see I need it. Okay, let's put some more black in there. And it needs to be the unadulterated house paint, I think. Because I believe my mead and black won't show up. Let's put a little more in here. Got to be careful not dipping your bottle into the painting, which I think I just did, yes. I also think I want to fix it. So if I just bring those pieces sideways, so it is what it is, and it's kind of cool, and we're going to spin some more. It's nothing like the last one I did, which was golds and oranges. It does make me want to take a straw in there and try and straighten out some of my issues. I'm wondering what I could use in there. Maybe just the end of a tool. Everything else is kind of okay. Now last time I did this, I added some lines. And I'm kind of interested in doing the same thing again. I'm just not sure they should go through the black. But if they do, and they work out, then I'll know I like that. The black kind of looks like a shadow at that point. So slightly lopsided. I just have a little gap. I wonder what would happen if I blew into that black. Ever so gently. I wonder if I can tip that at all. The perfectionist side of my nature is not satisfied with my attempt. But the rest of me is fine. I think that'll help. Spiraling out the center a little bit more is good. I'm tempted to put some more black over here. Just in case when I spin it out, it spreads. I've got almost no time left at all to tell you guys I do have 2,600 videos, and if you're looking for them, they're on playlists, all playlists, creative playlists, and you can find that by going to my YouTube channel. If I have any place left to hang on to. I'd like to see this part go back, but I don't think I'm going to have that opportunity. You never know, I might be somewhat successful. No, I'm not getting much movement. But I wanted to try this with colors. Thank you guys for being here. I can even up my spiral a little bit. I guess that's better than nothing. And the colors are kind of fun. Fibonacci spiral. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for watching the videos longer. Thank you for sharing the videos. Thank you for your kind words and your comments that keep my morale boosted. I really appreciate that a lot. I hope you come again. I post 7 days a week so far at 2:15 Eastern Standard Time. Yes, I am. I probably shouldn't be, but I am running a tool around the edge of the spiral. That's kind of cool. I can take the orange and drag it back in. Okay. It's more cartoony than the last one. I'm going to try and give you guys a view, but I got paint all over my hands. It's not very convenient right now. We got some great sparkle. I got one place I definitely want to make an adjustment. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Shop my link tree. You'll find my website there. Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio. It looks much better up here through the monitor than it does down there, because, you know, when we get to work, we're a little bit perfectionist and we think we're going to get exactly what we want, and then when we don't, we get a little lumpy. But I don't think adding a few lines ever hurt anything. So you guys, I'll see you anon. Check my Amazon link for my 2 books, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities. Thank you for watching. Thank you for the PayPal. I thank you for donating through PayPal, and find my icon on the bottom right hand corner of my YouTube channel banner. You help produce videos, and if you join my channel, you have access to a brand new members only library. It's $9.99 a month, and you help me buy art supplies, and I really appreciate those of you who have become members. My community board will show you tomorrow's video, and questions are welcome. Please feel free to ask. I will see you anon. My email address is easpb and the word gallery spelled out @gmail.com. I do sell my artwork, and I do give classes at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. And I don't know what that thing is, but it looks like a thing and not some paint. Okay, I say bye for now. Priscilla out.